Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to connect to a new data source or database in Bold BI. One of the initial steps you need to do before creating an interactive dashboard is connect to your data. To do this, you'll need to use the Bold BI data source connectors. To create a new data source, navigate to the Data Sources module available in the left side navigation bar and click the Create Data Sources button available at the top right corner of the Bold BI site. Data source connectors have a list of service connectors that help you connect with your data available as files on your system, like CSV or Excel files, cloud storage services like Microsoft Azure Blob Storage and Google Drive, SQL databases such as MySQL and Amazon Redshift, and cloud applications with REST APIs such as Jira and Smartsheet. You can find the service connectors listed by category in the drop-down list, or type the name of the connector in the text box available here. If you want to connect to the Excel file, select the Excel data source under the Files category, provide a name, and choose the file to which you are looking to connect it to. Once uploaded, click the Connect button. Choose the relevant tables and click the Connect button. This will redirect you to the Data Source Designer page. Drag and drop the table that you have chosen, preview it, and click Save and Exit. Now, your Excel data source has been created and listed under the Data Sources module. Similarly, if you want to connect with cloud storage services like Google Sheets, choose the Google Sheets connector from the Cloud Storage category, authenticate your account, select the file from the Sheets, and click Connect. As you did earlier, drag and drop the table that you have chosen, preview it, and click Save and Exit. Now, let us look at one more data source connection. If you want to connect with the database like Microsoft SQL Server, choose SQL Server under the SQL category. Provide database credentials, and click Connect. Drag and drop the table that you are looking for, preview it, and click Save and Exit. If you want to connect with any other data connectors, you can use the same process. Once you have created the data source connection, it will be listed in the Data Sources page as shown here. Bold BI can integrate with more than 90 data connectors and easily combine the data. You can use this data to build dashboards with simple drag and drop widgets and collaborate with other users. You'll find a list of supported data connectors under the Integrations menu in the Bold BI site. Thank you for watching.